Hi guys. I tried setting this up so that you could um, copy this in your own Google, and I noticed that some of you are having trouble with that because it's asking you to get access to it. So I thought that I would just do a video, and you can pause it in places that you wish. Okay. So this is your word study review for closed and open syllables, along with VCE syllables. Okay. So
Hi! Okay, everybody. The English language has a many words like this. So many words. And every word can be split into parts. We call these parts syllables. Syllables. A word could have one, or two, or three, or four, or even more syllables. Syllables.
Could a word have 1,000,000 syllables?
No, that is too many syllables.
What about 4 syllables?
Yes, I already said that. Ha! No more questions. Anyway, a syllable is like a beat. Do you know what a beat is? Drummer! Please play a beat. Thank you. That is a good beat. You can make a beat by clapping your hands. Now get those hands up. Let's practice one beat. Okay, ready? Here we go. Clap. Ho ho! Now let's try it with some words. We start with the easy ones. Words with one syllable and therefore one beat. The first word is dog.
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 I said dog. Ha ha! Good girl. Now everybody clap your hands to make one beat when I say the word dog. Okay, ready? Here we go. Dog. 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 Dog! Hey! Good job. Next, we'll try a word with 2 syllables. Apple.
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 I said apple! Huh, thank you. The word apple has 2 syllables and therefore 2 beats. It's kind of like it's split into 2 parts, like this. The first part is app, and the second part is pull. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say each part of the word apple. Okay, ready? Here we go. App, pull. App, pull. App, pull. App, pull. App, pull. Apple! Yay! You're doing great. Next, we will try a word with 3 syllables. Ladybug.
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 I said ladybug. Wow, that is a big ladybug. The word ladybug has 3 syllables and therefore 3 beats. It's kind of like it is split into 3 parts. The first part is le, the second is D, and the third part is a bug. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say each part of the word ladybug. Okay, ready? Here we go. Le, D, bug. 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 Ladybug! Good job! And finally, we try a word with 4 syllables. Salamander.
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 It's a salamander! Oh, hi, salamander. The word salamander has 4 syllables and therefore 4 beats. It's kind of like it is split into 4 parts. Ow. The first part is sal. The second part is a. The third part is man. And the last is der. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say each part of the word salamander. Okay, ready? Here we go. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Salamander! Salamander! Oh! Yeah! Superb! Wow! That's it for now. Until next time. See you later.
All right, so that was about syllables and the different kinds of syllables. Okay.
How do you decode words with more than one syllable? For example, look at these words. In this lesson, you'll learn how to decode closed syllables by remembering that when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it usually makes the short vowel sound. Now let's review a few things. Long vowel sounds say their alphabet names, like A, E, I, O, and U. Short vowel sounds say A, I, E, A, and and the schwa sound says the sound as well. Every syllable has one vowel sound, and the number of vowel sounds equals the number of syllables. So one vowel words always have just one syllable. Now, a common mistake is that people want to pronounce all words with long vowel sounds. So when they'd see an A here, they'd assume it said its alphabet name A, and they'd think it was the word cape. But cape is actually spelled with the magic E at the end. This first word is the word cap. So when a vowel is followed by a consonant, the vowel will usually make the short vowel sound. Here are some examples. We have that A followed by the N, so this word says can. Here we have the E followed by a T, it says pet. And here we have the I followed by a T, it says sit. These are all closed syllables because the vowel is closed in by the consonant. Now let's look at some examples. Let's find that vowel, A. Is it followed by a consonant? Yeah. P, so it's closed. Let's try it with a short vowel sound. Tap. Does that make sense? It does. Here's another one. We have an E. It's followed by the consonant T, making it closed. Let's try it with a short vowel sound. Fret. Yep, that's a word we know. So what we did was we looked at the word and we found the vowels. Then we asked, is the vowel followed by a consonant? And make sure that consonant isn't followed by an E, or else you might have a situation where there's a magic E. And then we read the syllable with a short vowel sound. Let's look at a few more examples. Here we have the vowel O, followed by the consonant P. So let's try pronouncing it with a short vowel sound. Stop. That works. Here we have the vowel E, followed by the consonant N. Let's try it with our short vowel sound since it's closed. Men. And here we have two vowels, both followed by consonants. So let's try dolphin. There are exceptions to this rule. Let's look at a few more examples. Here we have this word. Let's find the vowels. Okay, there's two. Now let's see, are they followed by consonants? They are. So let's try splitting this right after the B and having two short vowels. Rabbit. Does that make sense? It does. Rabbit. So that's our word. Let's look at another example. Let's find the vowels. Then we need to see if they're followed by consonants. And they are. So we're going to try splitting them after that consonant and make it say the short sounds. Deliver. Deliver. That doesn't really make sense. So we might need to move it. And so this is an open consonant and it'll say a long vowel sound. Deliver. For more information on that, check out Decoding the Multisyllable Words with Open Syllables. So what we did was we looked at the word and found the vowels. We asked, is the consonant followed, or is the vowel followed by a consonant? And then we read the syllable with a short vowel sound to see if it made sense. In this lesson, You learned how to decode closed syllables by remembering that when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it usually makes the short vowel sound.
All right, so that was us reviewing syllables, our closed syllables. Okay, let's talk about open syllables.
Behind, robot, human, erupt, tulip, motel, humid, prevent, cupid, tiger, student, rodent, frozen, minus, moment, depend, request, humid, protect, apron, bogus, token, sinus, slogan, beyond, result, robust, hijack, driver.
Guys, I want you to notice that as she's saying words, the vowel is saying its name, which makes it an open syllable. So, rerun. E is saying his name. If it was rerun, then E would not say its name. So, because it does, rerun is an open syllable word.
Rerun, secret.
So this next one is crisis. So I says its name. Crisis. We'll do a couple more and then move on.
Crisis, relax, refund, respond.
And that last one is defrost. Okay. Okay. Then we went over some VCE syllable words. That magical silent E. Let's talk about it.
Silent E, how important you are to me. Silently, you hold the key that guarantees so much for us to see. Silently, silent E. Rob could never wear a robe. Live on a glob and not a globe. A frying pan for a window pane. We could only plan to fly on a plane. Silent E, how important you are to me. Silently, you us to see. Silently, silent E. Tim would never have the time, and it would be dim without a dime. If he hid, where would you hide? If you slid without a slide. Silent E, how important you are to me. Silently, you be that guarantee. So much for us to see. Silently, silent E. And who would babysit Simon without his sister Simone? Silently, you hold the key that guarantees so much for us to see. Silently, 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 silent E.
All right. So silent E is, it also gives our vowel to say its name. Okay. All right. So your word study review, this is what it looks like. If you click, if this is in Canvas, it's set up like a quiz, but you can still see the document. If for whatever reason you're having trouble with the quiz, I'll scroll through this slowly, and then you can always rewind and pause this video also. Okay, so for this first section, and guys, I'm just going to say your review is very similar to your quiz, okay? So your review, this first section, 1 through 5, you're taking these words and you're separating them into syllables. So like donut, they did dough and then a slash and then nut, okay? That slash tells me where you want the syllable. So for your you to try, I have rhino, subject, tiger, magnet, and pretzel. Okay. And then you scroll down here and you have these words in a word bank. You need to decide if these words are closed syllables or open syllables. Now remember, open syllables, the vowel is going to say its name. The closed syllable, the vowel does not say its name. Okay, so like fossil, if it was fossil, then it would be open, but because it's fossil, it's closed. Okay, and then down here you have lazy. Lazy. That A is saying its name. So lazy is open. If it was lazy, then it would be closed. But this word's pronounced lazy. Okay? Then I tell you to pick one of these words from your word bank and put it into a sentence. Now, guys, on your quiz, questions like these are 4 points, and here's why. 1 point is to see, did you use the word correctly in a sentence? Did you give me a capital letter at the beginning? Did you give me punctuation at the end? And did you spell it correctly? So each of those components are 1 point, making this question 4 points. Okay, and then this next section for 8, 9, 10, 11, it says look at each picture and spell the word correctly. You have a basket, a baby, minus, and scuba diver, or maybe just diver. You choose scuba diver, scuba, or just diver. Okay. All right, so down here it says write 3 multisyllabic words of your choice in each of the boxes, and then be able to divide them into syllables using the boxes below. So like if this first box you put secret, you would put C/crit, okay, right here. All right, and last but not least, you're going to draw a line that divides each word into syllables and then circle the VCE syllable. So remember, VCE stands for vowel consonant E. It's where you have that magic silent E, okay? And hint, hint, those are usually at the end of your word, okay? Where you have a vowel consonant and silent E. Okay, so this is your review. Like I said, you are more than welcome to um, pause this video, rewind it as much as you need to, especially for the review portion of each part of your quiz. And then just know that you are able to use this review on your quiz. And yes, so feel free to do that. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm so sorry that the Google Slides didn't work. I hope that this video will. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm also going to email out this this review document in case you do want to print it, since it is in a quiz form right now on campus. Okay, so your choice. But this review is not due to me for a grade. It's really just for you to be successful on this quiz that you have due Friday. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful day. Let me know if you have any questions.